So I started writing songs as a kid, and I used to come up from Olympia to other side of the tracks, mid-70s. Wrote a bunch of songs since then, and a lot of people that I know who are songwriters, some of them anyway, people have recorded their songs, but I'm kind of proud to say that the list of people who've never touched any of my songs is pretty formidable. I don't want to be a name dropper or anything, but, you know, like a Bonnie Raitt. Never touched one of my songs. Paul McCartney, no. You know? Nobody. I mean, it's kind of a who's who in the music industry. You know, I don't want to brag or anything. This is one that nobody's touched. Windshield wipers going slow. This dark night, I'm coming home. It's like hearing your favorite song playing on the radio when the rain comes down. Comes down. It's been a long time, yeah, since I've seen your face. Have the years been good to you? Are you still standing straight? We've weathered our separate storms just to make it back to the same place. It's like hearing your favorite song playing on the radio when the rain comes down. When the rain comes down. This world would cut you into the bone. Gotta find yourself medicine for your soul. Like when the rain comes down. Rain comes down. 40 miles open road. Tall trees going by. Yeah, I'm coming home. When the rain comes down. When the rain comes down. Yeah.